Hello everyone. Every time you connect to Wi-Fi or send a WhatsApp message, there is one company working silently in the background, and that company is Cisco. Cisco is a global tech giant founded in 1984 and headquartered in California, USA. Today, it operates in over 90 countries, including India, and powers almost 80% of the world's internet traffic. Whether you are from CS, IT, EE, ECE, or even non-engineering streams, Cisco has an opportunity for everyone. Cisco doesn't hire only engineers. They also recruit freshers in finance, HR, sales, marketing, operations, and customer support. And the best part is the high salaries they offer. Freshers get 17 to 24 LPA in engineering roles, while in non-tech roles like finance or HR, they get 5 to 10 LPA. Add to that a flexible work culture and global recognition. It is one of the best places to start your career. So if you're a college student or a fresher from any stream, then this video is for you. I will walk you through fresher roles and eligibility, how to apply for Cisco jobs, and complete hiring process step by step. So watch the video till the end and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of such hiring process video. So let's start. First thing first, let's understand the kinds of jobs available at Cisco for freshers. As we all know, Cisco is a dream company for engineering students. Typically, they hire students and graduates from CS, IT, ECE, EE branches and other related circuit branches. The most common tech roles for freshers are software engineering, that is backend, front-end and full stack. Hardware engineering, where you design and test devices like router and switches. Network consulting, where you will help Cisco's client design, implement and optimize their network infrastructure. And technical consulting, which is a high-level technical support role. But if you are not from an engineering background, then also Cisco has tons of role available for you in divisions like operation, corporate services like HR, legal, finance professional services like customer support and sales and marketing. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. That is, a degree in B.Tech or BE in CSC, IT, EE or ECE branches is usually preferred. A CGPA of 6+ and in top colleges this might go up to 8 or 9. And no active backlogs at the time of application. If you are eligible, there are 3 ways in which you can apply for jobs at Cisco as a college student or a fresher. First is on-campus recruitment, which includes hiring drives and Cisco India Ideathon. Second, off-campus recruitment, where you can apply either via Cisco career page or Cisco's hiring program like Code with Cisco or Cisco Apprenticeship program. And third is via Internshala. So now let's talk about each of these in detail, starting with on-campus recruitment via their hiring drives. Cisco visits numerous engineering colleges across India, such as DTU, Punjab University, IITs, IIIT, BITS Pilani, VIT, TIS, and many other state colleges for their recruitment drives. They hire engineering students, especially from CSIT, electrical or electronic background, for a variety of roles like software engineering, technical support, and hardware engineering. You can apply directly via your college placement cell. I will discuss the complete hiring process in the next section, so stay tuned. But before that, let me tell you something interesting. Cisco also conducts on-campus recruitment through its flagship hackathon, that is Ideathon. Cisco conducts an Ideathon exclusively for colleges that have partnered with Cisco Networking Academy. There are about 600+ colleges that are eligible for this. Through this challenge, Cisco wants to hire final year students who can come up with innovative solutions to complex real-world problems. You can register for it directly through the Ideathon website. The challenge is conducted in 2 rounds. Round 1 is a 90-minute online assessment that includes MCQs and coding problem. The shortlisted students will be moved on to the round 2, which is an interview. The students will be given problem statement and 1 week's time to prepare a PowerPoint presentation as a solution, which you will discuss during the interview. If you clear the interview round, you will be offered either a full-time job or an internship with PPO in Cisco business units like customer experience and digital enterprise solutions. Now you can also apply for jobs at Cisco through their off-campus recruitment methods. There are 2 main ways in which you can do this, via their career page and via their Cisco hiring programs. Let me tell you about both these methods in detail. One of the easiest ways to apply for jobs and internships at Cisco is through their official career website. They list all their current vacancies on the page, and you can easily filter your job search based on the job type and area of interest. And once you find a suitable job that you want to apply for, here's how you can create your application. The first step is to register on Cisco's career portal using your email address. Then the application form has 4 stages. Resume upload, application info like your college degree. Then stage 3 is a simple self-identification, and stage 4 will be final submission. Now let's talk about Cisco's off-campus hiring programs. Cisco runs 2 hiring programs in India, Code with Cisco and Cisco India Apprenticeship program. These programs help you experience their work culture and land an internship or full-time job at the company. So let's start with details of Code with Cisco program. It is a nationwide coding challenge or a codathon where you will work on real-world challenges over course of 2 days. If you perform well or win the challenge, you will be eligible for a pre-placement interview to land an internship or a full-time job at Cisco. The best part about this codathon is that students from any college, any degree or any specialization and any CGPA can apply for this program as long as you do not have any active backlogs. And here's how the entire process works. First, you have to register for Code with Cisco via their official website. Once you have registered, you will be required to take an online assessment, also known as Cisco Common Entrance Test. It is a 90-minute test that includes a combination of MCQs and coding challenges. The MCQs generally revolve around computer science fundamentals and the coding problems focuses on DSA. If you clear the assessment and are shortlisted, Cisco will create your team with fellow participants and you will take part in a 2-day codathon at Cisco's Bengaluru office. Based on your performance, you will get a chance to interview for internships and full-time employment opportunities at Cisco. As a part of the selection process, you will go through 4 rounds of interview, which will assess your technical capabilities and cultural fitness. The second program is the Cisco India Apprenticeship program. It is specially designed for freshers and recent graduates with no work experience. It is a 12-month program that helps you gain practical job knowledge and build industry-relevant skills. During this program, you will get both theoretical learning and on-the-job training. This will ensure that by the end of the program, you are completely job-ready. Not only that, you will also get a completion certificate to add to your resume. You can apply to the program directly via their website. Another quick and hassle-free way to apply for jobs and internship at Cisco is via Internshala. All you have to do is to register on internshala.com. And if you don't have a resume, then you can use Internshala free resume builder tool. Then go through the Cisco jobs and internships on the platform and select the ones you want to apply for. Click on Apply Now. This will take you to an application form. If your application is shortlisted, the hiring team will get in touch with you and begin the recruitment process. Now this is the big question. What does the hiring process for Cisco looks like? The Cisco's recruitment process typically has 3 rounds: online assessment, technical interviews, and HR or managerial interview. I will talk about each of these rounds in complete detail to help you prepare for the interviews and get a job at Cisco. The online assessment is a 60 to 90-minute test that is designed to evaluate your aptitude and technical knowledge. It consists of 50 MCQs divided into 3 sections: aptitude, programming, and core engineering. Usually, there are 20 aptitude-related questions based on logical reasoning and quantitative ability. 15 programming questions based on computer science fundamentals, basic programming languages, database management, and operating systems. And 15 core engineering questions depending on the role you are applying for. For example, if you are applying for a role of network engineer, then these questions will be based on computer networking. And if you are applying for the role of a hardware engineer, the questions will be based on electrical and electronic systems and circuits. And if you are applying for a software development roles, then the test will include MCQs on aptitude and computer science fundamentals and 1 or 2 medium to difficulty questions on coding problems. There is no negative marking in the test, so try to attend all the questions. If you pass the online assessment, you will proceed to the interview process. The interviews help Cisco to get to know you and help you learn about their culture and business. During the interviews, you will be asked about your academic and work experience and your cultural fitness. In this process, firstly, there will be a technical interviews. Generally, there are 2 technical interviews where you can expect questions based on your favorite subjects, projects mentioned in your resume, and core computer science fundamentals. If you're applying for software engineering roles, you might also be asked to write a code on a whiteboard or on a shared doc during the interview. HR or managerial interview is the final round. In this round, the questions are a mix of standard HR questions like, tell me about yourself, why do you want to work at Cisco, and where do you see yourself in 5 years? And behavioral questions like, tell me about a time when you worked in a team. If all goes well, Cisco will roll out an offer letter to you via email and your onboarding will start. With that, we come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And let me know in the comments which company you want me to cover next. Until then, all the best.